We got Kiara. And keep it going for awesome ship show.